Imagine a world where laundry took hours, scrubbing, rinsing, and wringing by hand. Now, picture how easy it is today. Just press a button and your clothes are clean. Welcome to the story of one of the most transformative inventions of modern life, the washing machine. But how did we get here? In this video, we'll take you on a journey from the humble scrub board to today's smart washers, uncovering how this invention reshaped daily life. Let's dive in. Before machines took over, washing clothes was an all-day task. People often washed clothes in rivers, using rocks to beat the dirt out of the fabric. Later, the invention of the scrub board in the late 18th century made the process a little easier, but it was still back-breaking labor. Laundry was a grueling process, involving scrubbing by hand, rinsing, boiling, and finally wringing out the water, often taking an entire day. It was a task that fell primarily on women. In some parts of Europe like Romania, people used to take their clothing to nearby rivers and used purpose-built primitive whirlpools called valtori. The fast water flowing into the conical pool creates powerful whirlpools which tumbles the clothes to remove the dirt. A wooden barrier installed upstream controls the quantity of water flowing into the pool. Spaces between the wooden boards of the pool allow water to flow through. By the 19th century, inventors started looking for ways to automate the process. The first mechanical washing machines were still hand-powered, but they introduced rotating drums and other mechanisms to help agitate clothes. In 1851, James King patented the first drum washing machine. It was still powered by hand, but it paved the way for future innovations. The real revolution came with electricity. In 1908, the Hurley Machine Company introduced the world to the Thor, the first electric-powered washing machine. This machine featured a drum that rotated back and forth, mimicking the scrubbing action of hand washing, but now with the power of electricity. Though groundbreaking, these early machines were far from perfect. They were often unsafe with exposed belts and motors. Nonetheless, they marked a major step forward in automating laundry. As the 20th century progressed, washing machines became more reliable and efficient. By the 1940s and 50s, the machines were designed with automatic features, such as built-in timers and automatic spinning to dry clothes. Automatic washing machines became a household staple by the 1950s, promising to save time and effort. These machines didn't just wash clothes, they helped redefine domestic life. The impact of the washing machine goes far beyond clean clothes. Before automatic washers, laundry was a full-time job that left little room for anything else. But with this new invention, women who traditionally did the washing had more time for education, work, and leisure. This invention was one of the many that contributed to a societal shift, making it possible for women to balance domestic duties with careers outside the home. Fast forward to today, and washing machines are now marvels of technology. From smart controls that allow you to start a wash cycle remotely to eco-friendly models that conserve water and energy, the modern washing machine is designed for convenience and sustainability. Today's machines do more than just wash. They self-diagnose problems, adjust water levels based on load size, and even tell you when your laundry is done. With technological advances, the future of washing looks cleaner and smarter than ever. Did you know there are washing machines that don't use water at all? The washing machine industry is still evolving, and there are some truly surprising innovations out there. In fact, there are even machines in development that use ultrasonic waves to clean clothes, eliminating the need for traditional water-based washing altogether. What does the future hold for laundry? Experts predict washing machines will become even more integrated into our homes, maybe even becoming fully automated. Imagine a world where you simply drop your clothes in a hamper and they come out clean and folded without you lifting a finger. The washing machine has come a long way, from manual labor to fully automated technology. It's a device that has saved us time, energy, and quite literally effort. So the next time you toss a load in, remember, you're part of a long history that has transformed our daily lives. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more stories about the inventions that shaped our world. and tell us in the comments. What feature would you like to see in the washing machine of the future?